How to get gold on elimination in Fortnite Creative. So this is super simple and easy tutorial that helps you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go in your island settings. Then once you're in island settings, you have to go to the second one right here, which is under overview mode. Then once you're on the second one, you have to scroll down and go to the third option, which is elimination. So 1, 2, 3. Then once you're in elimination, you have to scroll down, and you have to click on gold granted on elimination. Just put that to whatever you guys want. So I'm gonna just put it at 15, which is the third last one. Then once you do this, just start your game or just go back, just fix whatever you need to fix. So that's how you get gold on elimination in Fortnite Creative. If this video helps you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for future creative tutorials. Thank you for watching.